What's up, everyone? This is Prince back at you, and today I have a special episode of Prince's World for you, so please enjoy. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Prince's World, and today the new project is a 2002 Ford Mustang. Now, there's not much wrong with this vehicle. The only thing we need are tires. Okay, I lied. There is one thing that is wrong. We have the case of a dirty thief! That's right, some goon thought it'd be a good idea to come and steal my radio, cut up some wires, and also destroy all that was once beautiful. But that's not a real problem. I suck it up. You know, I'm getting tired of all this sucking up. But anyway, the interior is good for the most part. All it needs is a good cleaning. I remember because I replaced these. You know, this can be fixed. It will get fixed, actually. But for now, back to the task at hand. I already went about jacking up the vehicle, removing the tires, and overriding some security. Yes. So now we have the tires packed up in the F-150. This boy that gave me so much problems is now the boy that's alleviating all my stress right now. The only thing that's left is this one stubborn, chubby gun that refuses to come off. The problem being, this lug stud is now a spinner. I can't spin it with my hands, but if I put a socket on there, that boy will move. Yeah, this, you can see all the rust. When I was turning, snap, and that boy decided to come undone. But anyway, that does not stop the workflow. We're still going. We're about to be on the road. Let's get going. Wow. Ain't this ugly? I got my hopes up on ugly. 4 different tires. Just look at that. That is so ugly. Oh boy, it's whatever then.
The next day.
So guys, it's the next day. Like I said, we're back on the Mustang. I'm not gonna happy about this one, despite that stupid lug. Wanna know why? Because I finally found a way to get it off. I'm gonna show you guys right now. You see right there, I put some JB Weld steel stick on that boy to try to hold it in place. From what I've seen, for the most part, it looks like it did its job, because this time when I'm shaking the wheel, it doesn't knock the lug out of place. It actually moves the whole rotor. So, you know, there's that plus. So now we're going to have to see if that does the trick for us in helping us get that boy off. Here's my fingers crossed, hoping that it does, because, you know, even if it doesn't work, I still have another way I can go about it. Let's see.
A few moments later.
And just like that, freaking called it. It came apart. I'm not worried. I'll get up another way. And this is my another way. And just like I said, that's my another way. To tell you the truth, I should have done this in the first place, because it would have been the most sensible. It's just that I'm working with a tight space. I want to exhaust all my resources before I went for the most dangerous, which it really is. Anyway, let's hop to it.
Moments later.
Well, that didn't work. Welding cannot work. But anyway, we'll move on. I'll just take this thing to a car shop where they can do all they can. I've done my best. I tried. So we're going to move on to other things. We're still on the Mustang, yes. What we're going to do is make sure this thing runs. We haven't tried that yet, so we're about to find out. As you guys will see, I already got a battery in here. Now, I don't want to hear what any of you guys in the comment section who has a Mustang of this year and body saying, oh, you got the wrong battery. Hey, I don't care. It's the only battery I had. I put it in there. It's gonna start the vehicle, whether you like it or not, and it's gonna drive the vehicle. Take it as it is. Also, I got the fluids all topped up. Oh wow. Yeah, it's all topped up. We got some old orange cool up in the reservoir, but hey, it's gonna run it. Trust me, it will. The coal pack looks good and dandy. I hope there's no misfires, but anyway. Oh yeah, also, don't let me forget this. Need something there right there, but we're not driving anywhere. And all the other fluids, it was good. Other than that, let's get this boy started. Here goes nothing. But look at that. That engine's purring. I got this from the guy. He said it's been sitting there for a while. One thing I know about Ford, one thing I can trust are these Mustangs of this year model, the new age. These are actually good engines alongside their transmission. They'll sit for a long time, but they'll last forever. This is one of those high mileage vehicles too. But you know, this thing is still purring good after a high mileage and long time of sitting up. Yeah. In some ways, it's kind of built like an F-150, where this EGR is like right here. I'll connect straight to the. Yeah, I can't say it right now, but you know. Anyway, it's good. But we're not done with that thing so far. We still have to get the radio fixed up, and also what else? Oh yeah, get that freaking rim off. That stinking lug has got me messed up, literally. Anyway, we got this one.
3 days later.
So everybody, we're back on the Mustang. As you see, I got new radio pieces and trim. So when that hole came and stole the radio, he broke a few things. So, first let me say this. When people come stealing radios out of cars, why don't they do it the civilized way and at least leave the trim intact? They go off breaking stuff that doesn't need to be broken just because they're so inequipped. They come and steal something. I'm like, I know thieves are dumb people. At least do something professionally. But anyway, I digress. As you guys can see, I already went about dissecting this center area right here. And when I did that, I noticed that it might be a bit difficult to put all this back together with this harness right here, all the limited space. So what I found out is that I can actually take this connector piece off. Can't do it because I'm using only one hand at a time. But with that, this makes this job a whole lot easier. So let's hop right to it. And so, just like that, everything is put back in place. Unfortunately for this big gaper right here, I can't do really too much about it because, in all honesty, these Mustangs of this year in body tend to last for like a long time. Almost as long as a truck, but still, whew, that's a good thing on a car. Old reliable, you can call that thing that. But anyway, I digress.
4 to 6 days later.
We're back on this thing, or should I say, we're not back on this thing. Because guess what? We got that poultry lug off. Now don't ask me how I did it, because I didn't do it. So as far as we know, that vehicle's done. The radio's already been replaced. All is good.
Moments later.
So everybody had to take a moment to pause for the Mustang. I'm having a hard time starting it. It looked like there was corrosion around the battery terminals. So I had to stop by my local auto parts store and get some battery terminal cleaner. Now that we got that, I'm gonna see you guys back at the shop. So everybody, turns out it wasn't the battery, or the terminals, or any of the wiring. After about a good minute trying to figure things out why the electrical wouldn't work, I shifted the vehicle from park to neutral, and guess what? It cranked right up. That told me neutral safety. So what I did was bring it onto the lift, and what I'm about to do now is go underneath. Hopefully the thing is just loose, so when you put it in park, it just wobbles. But if it's not, well, neutral safety switches aren't difficult. Right now it's just a diagnosis. So let's hop on it. Now would you look at that? Looks like it won't be as simple as adjusting, but not a problem. From the way it looks like we can just take off 3 bolts. But hey, like I said, neutral safety is always simple.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So everybody, I got the part. Unfortunately, it was not as simple to pull as it is simple to replace. The vehicle I got it off from was kind of difficult, but still, I got it. Now that I got it, why don't we jump on that board and replace it? See what happens then. And just like that, the thing's installed. Now let's start this boy. Okay everybody, the battery was looking a bit dead when I went to go start the vehicle. I had to pull up the F-150 and add some jumper cables. But now that that's done, let's see if the thing starts up. Alright everybody, moment of truth. And see, look at that. Start right up in park. So there you go. That vehicle is nice and ready to go. Okay. That should be it. That should be it. Everything that needed to be done to this Mustang has been done. So I'm hoping nothing else comes up. Hoping. But that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I open up a new video. Also, if you want to be notified with the happenings of this Mustang, don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Prince's World. But with that being said, that's gonna be it, you guys. Until next time, Prince out.